Hi, I'm Drew Barto, and you're watching Marketing Minute presented by Pro Remodeler. The question, how much should contractors spend on marketing, doesn't have a clear-cut answer. It depends on a lot of factors, but I can share some insight I received from a recent industry event where contractors were asked this very question. But first, I want to thank ProVia for sponsoring this episode. ProVia produces professional class entry doors, vinyl replacement windows and siding, manufactured stone, and metal roofing. When you partner with ProVia, you get expert installer training, lifetime limited warranties, responsive sales, marketing, and customer service support, and additional tools to help build your business. Visit ProVia.com to learn more. Now, at Certified Contractor Network's Fall Conference, a quick poll of 20 window siding and roofing companies revealed an average marketing spend of 9.2% of projected revenue for 2023. Companies that sell roofing exclusively reported being on the lower side, in the 4 to 7% range, while the majority of the window and door companies fell somewhere between 10 and 14%. These numbers shouldn't be all that surprising. Home improvement icon Charlie Gandell recommends an 8 to 10% marketing spend for contractors that want to grow. And he says many spend 15% or more if they want to accelerate their growth and achieve an annual compound growth rate of 25% or better. Most of the companies polled at the fall conference were in the $4 to $8 million revenue range. However, home improvement contractors that sell tens of millions or even hundreds of millions annually often approach 20% marketing cost. There are several factors that determine what your marketing spend should be, including your products, your market, your goals, and the overall effectiveness of your marketing mix. My personal opinion, set your revenue goals for the year and plan to spend at least 10% of that number on marketing. Track your results on a weekly basis and be prepared to pivot to new or better performing lead sources on short notice. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Marketing Minute. I'll see you next time with more tips to help you grow your home improvement business.